for you. The Home Office are paying civil servants an extra 75 quid a pop for every asylum case that's processed. That's above their 12 claims a month target. Now, they say this is a desperate attempt to decrease the backlog. Well, it means that civil servants can earn up to 350 quid extra a month for rushing through the approval or rejection of cases. Which way do you think it's going to go? There are fears that the bonus could increase the number of poor asylum decisions, as civil servants basically feel inclined to hurry through. I mean, I would be inclined to suggest that we're going to see a big rush on this when Christmas approaches and they want a little bonus. David Haigh joins us now, a human rights lawyer. Thank you very, very much. What do you make of the idea now that they are being financially incentivised to rush through asylum claims?
Good evening, Patrick. I mean, simply, it's a terrible idea. They're essentially getting short-term gain for a long-term pain. And, I think and the worrying thing here, which is why I think it's very dangerous, is that Keir Starmer, he's a human rights lawyer. He will know what speeding up and putting pressure to do things like asylum claims quickly means, because he's been there. So he will know what that will mean. It will mean bad decisions. Bad decisions will mean there'll be more appeals. More appeals will be more people stuck in the system, more money for the taxpayer, and injustices as well. There'll be asylum seekers that do and should need our support that will not get it. So it's
won't there only really be appeals if they reject them? My inclination would be to suggest that they are just going to use this to stamp people through. Avoid appeals, just do it, get you 75 quid.
Well, possibly. I mean, we just don't know. I mean, obviously, the majority of people are probably going through anyway. So I think either way, whether there's more people going through and being approved or more people going through and being put on an asylum appeals list, it's not good either way if those are not genuine cases. That's the thing. And I think, I think it's a common sense approach, speeding things up, which are detailed processes. These really are not things that should be sped up and shouldn't be on the basis of a per case. And this reminds me, when I read this story, it reminded me of back in the Middle East, when you get the police, they're effectively paid per arrest and per conviction. That's a slippery slope to start down, and one that we shouldn't.